Ka wuok e weche mag DCP giskiza ground ni jatend migao mari Kipchumba MURKOMEN owacho ni nonro magisetimo yango ni tulo ma omuoche nyasi mar mane jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua kamano yange duon buche ma DCP okel kod gwandruok e kind rawere moko kod kweth mag Gachagua kowacho ni gin rawere mane igi owang' wera ni ne ok ochulgi kuom tich ma ne gitiyo e nyasi no. Ka oloso Isiolo, MURKOMEN onyiso josiasa mondo obed ka chiwo milome ne obila motelo ne romo mekgi.
As I have inquired from the National Police Service, there is no indication that the National Police Service were notified about this meeting so that they can provide proper security. Preliminary also investigation indicate that some of the supporters who were invited to come for this function were expecting to be paid some amount, and as a result of fighting over those resources, there was a melee which unfortunately led to some kind of a stampede. And unfortunately, we hear that some of the journalists who were there to cover the event were also caught in the melee, and some people in civilian clothes drew their guns and then they fired on the air. So investigations will go on to establish who exactly they were, why they did what they did. But what is of significance to us is that we would like to ask all leaders, regardless of their political affiliations, to first of all seek the services of National Police Service when they're having public events, just to secure and protect the public.
Kaudhi weche mag somo, migao mar somo yangu chendo manyien mar yangu jopuonjre kuonde